rejected.
Nice. All right, so here we are 24 hours later, November 7th, and look how fast these shiitakes have filled out. And they're ready to harvest. You can tell when they're ready by their caps, they'll begin to start to unfurl. And you want to capture them right before that. I just saw this one release some spores. It looked like a little bit of smoke puff coming out. But yeah, take a sharp knife and just start cutting these. Oh, did you see that? You see that? You see it? Look, look, you see that? That's the spores coming out. Oh man, love it.
Dad, look.
What you got? Let's see. Oh, here's that oyster mushroom. Whoa, look. Those guys are coming out. They're gorgeous. This is golden oyster, and they're delicious as well. Wow,
Look at those little
mushrooms
babies right there.
are amazing and delicious. Grow you some.